Right, so the next review is going to be for the Chefman glass kettle, which is an electric kettle, and it's got a removable tea infuser included in it, so you can actually make your tea right in your kettle. It's a 1.8 litre kettle, and it's £28.11 at the time of this recording. So let's get into it. So this is the Chefman kettle. It's an electric glass kettle with a capacity of 1.8 litres. It comes with a tea infuser, which you can see here. However, I have not used it because I don't drink tea. Now, if you do drink tea, it literally just pops inside of the kettle. And I'm not going to fidget around, but yeah, it goes in there. If you open the lid wide enough. Okay, so I'm going to fidget around a little bit. So yeah, it just pops in there and it goes click, close the lid, and off you go. But we're going to do it without the tea infuser today, just because again I don't drink tea. I probably won't use it, but again, if you do, then go ahead, use it, and yeah, you'll enjoy it. So I've got 1.5 litres of water in here just to make the comparison equal across all of them, and let's go. So we've pressed go at the minute mark, and we want to see how long it takes to come to a boil. The other one, the Russell Hobbs, took 3 minutes and 40 seconds. So let's see how long this takes. Let's measure the noise, and let's also talk about the ease of use. I mean, in all honesty, pretty much for every kettle that I've come across, the ease of use has been great because it's easy. Put the water in, pop the button, water gets hot, you've got a nice cup of coffee. So this one, exactly the same. I open the lid and pop the water in. Ooh, there's some bubbles going on already, and we're approaching the 1 minute mark. In terms of safety and durability, it's a glass kettle. It's, you know, it's durable. It's not going to wobble. It's not going to shake. So it's not going to cause any sort of harm unless you literally just pull the cord or something like that. So obviously, if you've got little kids and stuff, keep them away from the kitchen. You should be keeping them away from the kitchen anyway, because at any point they can come and literally just pull the cord, which we don't want to happen. As we approach the 1.5 minute mark, I would say the design of this is actually really nice. I prefer the design of this over the Russell Hobbs because I like the nice roundish sort of shape. In terms of the blue light, they both have a similar blue light going around like a little LED strip, which looks good. It's a little bit cheaper than the Russell Hobbs kettle, so and the capacity is slightly more. On this one, we're looking at a 1.8 litre. Russell Hobbs was a 1.7 litre. So yeah. So we just passed the 2 minute mark, and the bubbles are starting to form. It's starting to get a little bit noisier, but I think at this point the Russell Hobbs was actually a little more noisier than this, if we're completely honest. But you know, it's not come to a complete boil yet, so we're going to approach the 4 minute mark very soon. Oh, I've just noticed the infusion light, so that actually is quite cool as well. That's being a tea infusion going, so yeah. In terms of speed, I think it's not going to be too dissimilar to the Russell Hobbs, because we are approaching the 3 minute mark now. And yeah, about 3 minutes. Still hasn't come to a full boil, which we really wanted to do. And I also like the fact that the switch, the on and off switch, is right there instead of being down there, which is easier reach for children. So I would say that's an extra step in being safe, especially when you have kids around. So yeah, well, the kids will turn it off and on, but I just like to have that little bit of extra precaution where I can. So we're just past the 3 minutes 30 mark. Coming up to 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Still simmering away, I would say. Just getting a little bit more. Let's get a little bit more excited there. Yeah. There's some more activity going on there then. So yeah, that looks good. Just past the 4 minute mark. So 4 minutes and 20 seconds. We're just approaching now, so that's 4 minutes and 20 seconds there. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Do we have 4 minutes 30 seconds? Yeah. 4 minutes and 40. So it was my mistake earlier. The Russell Hobbs got to 4 minutes and 40, not 3 minutes and 40. So 4 minutes and 40 again. So 4 minutes 40. 4 minutes 50 to a full boil. See the shut off? 5 minutes shut off. Exactly 5 minutes to shut off. And it's an automatic shut off and it's bubbling away there. So yeah, that is the Chefman kettle, which I actually like, and I would give this one a good 8.5 out of 10.